This is my wife's 2013 Subaru XV or slash Crosstrek, and the issue's been that she couldn't remove the key out of the ignition. It was very erratic. Key would get stuck, which was driving her crazy. So what I've done is, as you can see here, I've removed the console. And if you look in here, if I can get in there, you'll see that little blue knob, which is actually, you can see the two green wires go into the switch, and then there's a little blue knob. And if I press this down, and you'll see here, there's the gear shift sort of slides on this plastic area here where you can see the grease. And if I push down, you can actually see there's a little metal strip that pushes on that blue switch. And all I've done is, if you look carefully, you might see that the little strip of metal's sort of, it's like a bit of a ski slope shape now, where previously it was more flat, or even it was more convex, you would say. And so it wasn't quite, when the gear shift was coming into the park position, it wasn't quite pushing the little blue knob home. So basically the car didn't sense that the shifter was in park. Apparently this is a very common problem, and but I haven't actually found a video on YouTube that shows exactly what the issue is. But anyway, you can see there, so like I say, I just bent that tab up a little bit and solved the issue. Good luck. Hope this helps someone else out.